Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I started drop shipping on Walmart, fully automated with Doba. We'll go over the shoulder in this video, and I'm going to teach you all about drop shipping on Walmart with Doba and how to do it the exact right way for you to make tons and tons of money. And everyone always talks about Shopify drop shipping, and it's for good reason. It's an incredible business model. One of the best, if not the best, business models online today. But almost no one is talking about Walmart, right? We always know about Amazon, right? They have a big marketplace, and we know about Shopify, right? We create our own storefront there. But what about Walmart? Massive, massive business at Walmart. They get over 100 million monthly visitors, and you can drop ship there to their millions of customers. It's just like Amazon, where you can put your products right onto Walmart. And a really popular strategy is to integrate Doba drop shipping into Walmart. This is going to allow you to have access to that massive Doba catalog where 90% of their products ship super fast from the United States. So you're going to be able to do drop shipping with US-based shipping. You're going to be able to quickly and easily sell high quality, high profit margin products directly on Walmart. You're going to be able to reach those 100 million monthly visitors directly on Walmart. Your products will be right there on the Walmart marketplace, and we're going to be able to integrate it all with Doba. When you want to go onto Walmart, there are definitely some pain points you need to be aware of. First of all, there are very, very strict performance rules when it comes to shipping and tracking and inventory. When you use Doba dropshipping, all of that will be covered for you. There's also a high risk of suspension if you mess up, and there's a lot of manual management there, which can really turn into a nightmare. You want to make sure that you're always in compliance. Well, you want to be using Doba dropshipping. That is going to make sure that all of your products you're shipping, you're tracking your inventory, all of the management is done automatically. It's so super powerful, and it all happens through the Doba Walmart integration. And a real stat on Walmart is that sellers must maintain approximately 99% on-time shipping and low defect rates. That's why most people avoid Walmart, even though it's a massive opportunity. But Doba dropshipping knows this. It was built perfectly to integrate into Walmart and to meet that 99% on-time shipping, especially when we're dealing with that US-based shipping. Again, 90% of Doba's catalog gets shipped from the United States. So we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you Doba drop shipping. I'm going to show you the Walmart integration. We'll go inside my Walmart marketplace account, and you see exactly how this works. Really easy to get a product in there. And again, it's all automated, fully drop shipped through Doba, and it's highly recommended. You see the link below the video. I'll pull that up right over here. You see doba.com/integration/Walmart. And of course, they integrate with many other networks as well. For example, Shopify, which you're probably already using, and Amazon and eBay. But we're going to be able to connect right over here into Walmart. And it's an official Walmart partner. So we know we're always going to be in compliance, right? All those rules, all the regulations, we'll make sure that our account is always in good standing. And we'll be able to source trending, high quality products, high profit margin products, and sync them right into Walmart in one click. Super, super easy. This is the #1 quality dropship supplier for your Walmart store. And really, you're going to get access to that massive catalog, full dropshipping automation, fast USA-based shipping, reliable suppliers. Doba's been doing it for years, and they understand how important it is for timely order shipping with Walmart. Best part is, suppliers on Doba provide great discounted pricing, so you can make a lot of profit margin. Doba is by far the #1 way to build your dream dropshipping business, and now it's fully AI powered with Doba Pilot. And I've been using Doba for a long time. So many of my students are having huge success with Doba, but they have tons and tons. 90% of their products are based in the US. So you're going to get fast drop shipping, fast shipping times, great prices, great support. There are so many businesses making tons of money with Doba drop shipping. You're now looking at the inside of my Doba account, and I'm in the store section over here, and I'm going to go and connect to Walmart. This is the first step. So we just come over here and click Connect a New Store, and you see all the different marketplaces that we can connect to. Of course, Shopify, TikTok Shop, and we have right over here Walmart. Really, really easy to do this. We just click the Connect button. It's going to come over here, pop up. We're going to give a store name, and I'll just call this Walmart Justin. This is just for our own use internally. And we go and click Connect. And what's going to happen here is it's going to bring us directly back into our Walmart account. You need to have a Walmart seller account, totally free to create that. create that account over there. When you're logged in, you simply press authorize. Right? This makes the connection between Doba Dropshipping and Walmart. And the best part is there's no code, there's no developer, there's no, editing any source code or installing any crazy apps or anything like that. We literally just get connected. You see Walmart right over here, and we can jump into our store settings. You're going to see all of these different settings and rules that make sure that you're always going to be in great standing with Walmart. Remember, Doba fully integrates with Walmart and making sure that you're going to be within all their rules and regulations. You have different abilities to change things like pricing rules and order rules and inventory rules when we add product over into it. You can customize these as you want, but I'm going to show you the real power over here. Now that we have our store set up with Walmart, we can jump into the product library. Right, and this is the best part, the most fun part of working with Doba. We'll be able to find literally hundreds of thousands of products, 90% of them shipping from the United States. So they're going to get to your customers quickly. They're going to be super high quality. And you can literally browse through this catalog because now that we have Doba and Walmart integrated, any of these products are going to be ready for us to add into our Walmart store. So the question really becomes, okay, what are we going to sell? And we could look through all these different types of selections like TikTok top sellers, Temu top sellers, top ranking, high profit. You could do keyword search. You could do category search, right? Maybe you want to do pets, and this time you want to go into dogs, right? You look at dog products. And you could even come over here and sort by best sellers. This is really one of my favorite parts of Doba, allowing us to sort by best sellers so we know exactly what is popular. So all you need to do is pick a product. When you find one that is interesting, you can click on it. We're going to go with these dog stairs, and it's going to open up the Doba product detail page. One of the best parts about Doba, great product imagery for all of their products. So this is going to get sent over to Walmart as well. Everything here, and you see this is going to be our cost, $66. You see that it's shipping directly from the United States, and it looks like it's coming from California. There's 300 in stock, so plenty to sell. And we see all the other product details and all that information right over here. Again, it's going to get sent over into our Walmart store. How do we do it? We simply press the List to Store button. This works because we've already connected our Walmart store. Right? We showed that earlier. So we now select Walmart and we click Continue. And this is going to give us all of the different options for our product. And you see that we have AI Optimizer over here. Really cool integrations with AI inside of Doba. It's going to allow us, in this case, to create product titles. And they're going to give us some different product options, and we can go ahead and select the one that we think is best. It's going to go ahead and replace that right over here. It's got some great keywords in there. Of course, it's got the title of the product, all that great stuff. We want to make sure that we fill in all of this information, especially things like category, because these are going to be requirements for, in this case, Walmart, right? So we can go and search for our category. Okay, I've selected our category, other dog supplies. We come over here to description. You see that all of these different things are required for Walmart, and it's specific to Walmart. So we have our site description and our key features. It's going to be automatically filled in for us. We could optionally use the AI generator as well to completely redo and rewrite the site description. Really cool. We can go ahead and select and replace if we want. I'm just going to stick with what we have here. Coming over here into our pricing, right, we have our SKU, we have our main product image, and then most importantly, we have our price. So here is our cost, including shipping, so it's going to cost us $66. Typically, I like doubling that and then rounding up to a nice round number. So you can go something like $129.99 or $119.99, and we'd have some really solid profit, about $60 profit there. Next, we have our images over here, and you see all the different images that are going to come over. Let's say for some reason you didn't want to send over an image, you could just uncheck it over here, but for the most part, the more images, the better. So we'll just review all the details. Our platform, Walmart, going into the store that we added. We have our product name. We have all of our different product information over here that we'll make sure is filled out. We have our description and key features. We have our offer information, and we have our image. We're ready to go to list this product. Okay, you see the product is being listed to the store. It literally just takes a couple of seconds. We have our 45% profit margin over here, selling it for $119.99. Our total cost is only $66. This is going to be a product that works really well. We'll be able to reach the millions upon millions of Walmart buyers, and this product is now in our Walmart seller store. So I'm back over here in my Walmart account. I'm over here into catalog, and literally going to click right into this exact product that we just created. Remember, we sent it over here from Doba. It's now into our Walmart store. Just like that powerful. We have everything. Here's the title. Here's those descriptions, those key features, right? We have all that information that we entered. We have all of our images sent over. We have our price sent over, all the required information sent over as well. So we're making sure that we are in good standing with Walmart. It's literally that easy. You could just start sending product after product after product over here into your Walmart catalog. And remember, with Doba, you have access to this massive catalog, and it's all going to be fulfilled automatically through Doba Dropshipping. So that was Doba and Walmart. That integration here is going to make you a ton of money. Best of all, it's super, super easy to do. All you need to do is just connect your store, follow along step by step, watch this video a few times if you need to. Totally worth it because Walmart is a massive opportunity, over 100 million monthly potential customers for your business. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, make sure you click on that link, jump into Doba, integrate with the Walmart marketplace, and I hope you make a ton of money and a ton of sales. Make sure you check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, I'll see ya in my next video.